Hey there, my YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel edAmplify, your talent crafting partner, where it is all about growth and learning, and elevating your professional skills to the next level. I'm your talent crafting coach and guide on this adventure. Today, we have got something special lined up, a topic that is going to elevate your skills and leave you with insights you can apply right away. But before we dive in, if you are new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of curious minds, because we are all about making every day a learning experience. Now, on to today's video. We are delving into mastering negotiations, thriving in workplace conversations. Whether you are a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills or a newbie eager to soak in some knowledge, you are in the right place. Stick around till the end because I have got some game-changing tips and tricks to share. And hey, if you find value in what you see, do not forget to give that thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. So, grab a seat and let us dive into today's adventure together. Negotiation is like a dance, it requires balance, finesse, and a clear understanding of your partner's moves. It's an invaluable skill for achieving mutually beneficial outcomes in the workplace. Now, let's unveil 3 secrets to mastering this vital skill. Secret 1. Preparation and information gathering. The first secret is thorough preparation and information gathering. Before entering a negotiation, equip yourself with a solid understanding of the subject matter, potential solutions, and the interests of all parties involved. Secret 2. Active listening and empathetic communication. Secret number 2 revolves around active listening and empathetic communication. Pay close attention to the perspectives and concerns of others. Respond thoughtfully, demonstrating that you value their input. Secret 3. Finding win-win solutions. The third secret is perhaps the most crucial: strive for win-win solutions. A successful negotiation isn't about one party triumphing over the other, but about finding common ground that benefits everyone involved. Now that we've revealed the secrets, let's explore some practical tips to further enhance your negotiation skills in the workplace. Tip 1. Role-play scenarios. Engage in role-play scenarios to simulate different negotiation situations. This allows you to practice your negotiation techniques in a controlled environment. Tip 2. Practice patience and flexibility. Be patient and flexible during negotiations. Recognize that finding the best solution may take time and require adjustments along the way. Tip 3. Seek feedback and reflect. Actively seek feedback from trusted sources after negotiations. Reflect on what went well and what could be improved in terms of your negotiation approach. So, there you have it, our guide to mastering negotiation skills in the workplace. Remember, effective negotiation is not about overpowering the other party, but about collaborating to reach a mutually beneficial outcome. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you will carry these insights with you as you embark on your journey of becoming a more skilled negotiator. Until next time, may your negotiations be fruitful and your outcomes satisfying. Additionally, embark on a journey of self-improvement with our cutting-edge communication and interpersonal skill programs. Visit www.edamplify.com/membership and unlock the key to becoming a confident communicator. Take care.